Good morning. I'm going to walk the streets around Delhi where the hotels are. This is the Arakashan road, which is one street back from the main road. I'll show you that road soon. We're going to walk towards the train station, and I'm just going to walk behind the camera and show you what it's like to walk the streets of Delhi. Everything's going to be hopefully in one take, so I won't cut anything unless there's music or someone tells me to. So just follow along and show you what we do. So the Arakashan Road, where I am, a lot of hotels, you're looking between $10 to $20 for a night's accommodation. This is actually where you can buy alcohol. I bought 180ml whiskey the other day for 100 rupees, so less than $2. Actually, let's get a juice. Hello, sugar cane juice? Small. Small? Yes. How much? 20? Okay. 20, thank you. Australia. Aussie, yeah? You won the cricket yesterday. You don't like cricket?
I like cricket, but never.
I'll finish. Thank you.
You like India?
Yeah, India, good. Yeah.
You came today, yesterday?
No, I've been in India 2 weeks.
How you feel? Good?
Yeah.
Right now, what are you doing today?
I'm just gonna go to the train station and buy my ticket to go to Chandigarh.
Chandigarh.
You know?
Excuse me, in the station you can't buy the ticket. You have to go to International Tourist Bureau at the outside the station. Not outside, I mean behind side of the station.
Okay, thank you.
That is called in city central.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
I will cost you only 40 rupees to get you there.
I'm just gonna walk there. I'm just gonna walk.
If you go walk, how can I drink also juice?
I'll buy you a juice.
No problem, I appreciate. But okay, 20 rupees, if you pay me, I will drop you.
Oh no, it's good price. I'm just gonna walk. I'm gonna walk. Exercise.
You know why I take you inside? Because I will have a good luck then. It's not because I know you could buy juice for me, but at least if you sit in the tuk-tuk, I will have a good day.
No, I'm just gonna walk. Thank you. I just want to show people the streets.
Ah, you are the blogger?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I have a very good friend in blogger from UK.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Australia.
Aussie.
Yeah.
So how long are you going to be in India?
Maybe 2 months.
It's a good time.
Yeah. I'm gonna go to Chandigarh, and then go to Kashmir,
Wow.
and then go to Dharamshala, watch the cricket, test 3,
Yes.
and yeah.
Maybe also if you buy ticket from there, the information center,
Yeah.
where you can get a little bit of free ideas about Srinagar, Kashmir.
Yeah, okay, cool. Thank you.
Just give me a good luck, sir. I will drop you there, but then you can have a walk.
Next time. I'm
and
just
also
gonna.
you can put me in your blogger, maybe people will watch me in Australia.
Yeah, very sexy man, yeah?
Thank you. I will show you my blogger friend in England.
Next, I'm just gonna walk today, sorry. Yeah. Very delicious. I like it. Sugarcane, is this Anna juice?
Yeah.
Anna is
Pomegranate.
in Hindi, in Indian.
Yeah.
Anna is sugarcane.
This sugar cane, this is the another juice.
Okay. What is musmi juice?
Mosmi, Malta, this is the mosmi.
Pineapple?
Pineapple, this mosmi.
Okay. Oh no, not pineapple. Which one?
This come here first.
Okay.
Come here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah, boy.
All right, that's what it's like. Tuk-tuk drivers will constantly try to get you a ride. As long as they're not violent or anything, I don't have a problem with it. You just ignore them. Just do what you want. Same with beggars. Beggars, they'll put their hands out. Sometimes it can be really sad with the kids and you're like, I should just give them some money, but if you give one money, then you got to give them all money, and then it's giving them 10 rupees, 20 rupees. Is going to save them? Probably not. Some of them actually in Pushkar, they're actually saying, no money, give me chapati, no money, chapati. So they actually were wanting food, but I'm not sure what chapati is. But yeah, like, I know people have preconceived ideas of India. So far with the shop vendors, the tuk-tuk drivers, the beggars, as long as they don't get physical, which I don't think I have experienced in India, then it's okay. I don't have a problem with them. So yeah, this is Arakashan Road. Maybe a lot of the hotels you'll get, if you get on the cheaper end, like the $10 to $20 range per night, is down this street or on the other side of the main road. A lot of them don't. They're pretty nice, actually. I find them pretty good. The main thing is the hot water. Hot water is very hit or miss. Just be careful on the road. Stay as far left or right as you can, because it is a very small road, and at the moment it's not too crazy, but cars, trucks, tuk-tuks, China, hello. Getting a haircut on the street. So yeah, that juice, for a small juice, the sugarcane juice was 20 rupees, so about 25 US cents. Very cheap. Alright, so now I just went off the Arakashan Road and walking towards the main road. I'll put the main road on the screen because I don't know how to say it. And we're heading towards the train station. Broccoli, cucumber, chilies, ginger. Not sure what the other one is. So with alcohol, we saw that alcohol shop in Delhi. They are served by the government shops. So the whiskey is 180 ml, which is about, what, 2 shots, about 100 rupees. 180 mils for 100 rupees. So, you know, $2 for a double shot of whiskey. You just give them the money and it's easy thing. The best idea, you got to be careful, especially around the markets, is just carry the money you need in your pockets to buy juice, to buy chai tea, to buy whatever you want. We got coconut here, and then have the rest of the money secured. How's it going?
Good?
Yeah, good.
Are you from Australia? I know.
Yeah. Have the rest of the money secured in your bag, or even then just take the money you want. I haven't experienced theft yet, but a lot of the Indians actually warned me and I haven't felt it. So this is the main road. Walking towards the train station. The guy back there was saying that I can't buy the train ticket inside the station. I got to go to a ticket office outside, so we'll see how we go with that. So I'm going to buy a ticket from Delhi to Chandigarh, which is halfway sort of towards Kashmir. With the Sri, I was going to just fly there. A flight there from Delhi to Dharamshala was going to take less than an hour. It's only about 3,000, 4,000 rupees. And I'll be there, but I don't need to get there that fast. The Australian cricket team is playing there on the 1st of March, and it's only 12th of February, so I don't need to get there that fast. And it's still very cold up that way. The Srinagar and Kashmir and all that area, still like getting into the minuses during the night, and during the day, so 3-4 degrees. So I'm not in a rush to race north, so I thought I'd just catch the train and go halfway, check out some cities on the way up. So that's the plan. and it will be my first Indian train ride. I think it's only meant to take 3.5 hours, 4 hours to Chandigarh. We'll see. So I didn't know this, but maybe you know. So this is for the Delhi section. The actual New Delhi section of the city is actually across this bridge to the left. I think so. Then if you do have some money and you want to stay in a much nicer area, there's Connaught Place. I'll put the name on the screen. That's over this corner. It's like a circle. England-inspired looking architecture. All the restaurants there, really nice restaurants actually. We went there our second night, so you can go there. Stray dogs, they seem to be less in Delhi, a lot more in the other cities, but you know. So it's currently 10 o'clock. I start 10:15. I started this about 10. So as you can see, things are just getting going, so it's not too crazy at the moment. Yeah, and that was one of the major streets where I was getting the sugarcane juice. You'll get harassed and talked to, and people want to sell you stuff, but they're not bad people, which is good. I'm sure there is, like any country, there's 1 in a million, 1 in 100 that might try to do something, but overall, as long as you're cautious and careful, the majority of Indians are very nice people, just trying to make a living. Yeah, as long as they're trying to make a living and don't get physical, I'm okay with that.
This side over the station.
Okay.
Stand, go. This side, my friend, this way.
There.
Go over the stair.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, and that's it. We're at the train station and try and find a ticket. I'm not going to film in here because India's still quite security wise, and I don't think they would want me to film in there, so I've got to find the ticket. But there you go, there's a walk down Arakashan Road and towards the train station. As you can see, as long as you just be cautious, but overall, just be patient with the locals and you'll have a good time here in India. Alright, just a quick update. I was meant to be one take that video, but I got to the train station. At the train station, you can't buy tickets unless the train's leaving within 2 hours. They sent me to a ticket office. It was more like a tour operator. White flags went up. He said there was no tickets available. There's just wait lists. So I got to go back to the hotel and figure out what to do. I'm now thinking I might try to find a bus to Jodhpur. Bit of a detour what I was going to do, and then fly from Jodhpur north. So that is the plan. If you can buy tickets online, I recommend try to buy tickets online. I'm going to research that. It's a bit weird, you can't buy train tickets at the train station. It's a bit Yeah, a bit white flag thing.